Good morning everyone, myself Jyoti. So in the last lecture we have seen or we have solved the exercise number 4.1 of the class 7. Now in this lecture we are going to learn the exercise number 4.2 of the class 7 simple equation. Yes. So question number 1 is that give first step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. फर्स्ट इज x माइनस वन इक्वल्स टू जीरो. तो बेसिकली यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन क्या है, what will be use the first step to solve the equation. Yes, so what is our first step here? So we need to take the value, calculate the value of the x की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. तो वेरिएबल्स एक साइड में रखना है, जो भी मैंने इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट में पढ़ाया था. तो x की वैल्यू x वेरिएबल्स एक साइड में रखने हैं और कॉन्स्टेंट्स को दूसरे साइड में लेके जाना है. तो इसका अपोजिट क्या होगा, माइनस वन का एडिटिव इनवर्स होता है प्लस वन. यस, सो वी हैव टू ऐड प्लस वन. इसका एडिटिव इनवर्स क्या होगा, प्लस वन. वी हैव टू ऐड प्लस वन टू द बोथ साइड ऑफ द गिवन इक्वेशन. सो व्हाट डू वी गेट if we add the plus 1 on the both side of the equation? So I just simply add the 1 to the on the both the sides. Yes, so what do we have here, opposite sides same number will get cancelled. Minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled to each other and 0 plus 1 is 1. So value of the x equal to what, 1, and this is the solution for our equation. Whenever you got the final answer, always highlight your answer. Moving to the next question, x plus 1 equals to 0. Again we need to calculate the value of the variable, that is the x only. Now we don't want plus 1 over here. plus 1 का additive inverse क्या होगा, इसका exactly opposite. plus 1 का additive inverse होगा minus 1. So we have to subtract 1 to both side of the given equation. So what to get? So minus 1 मैंने both side को कर लिया. So what do we have, plus 1 minus 1 again will get cancelled. The same number having opposite sign will get cancelled to each other. Remaining what, x, and 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So value of the x equal to what, minus of 1. So here we directly got the answer. Whenever you got the answer, always highlight your answer. Next question is C. So x minus 1 equal to 5. So what we need to do, we need to take the opposite of the minus 1. Opposite of the minus 1 is what, plus 1. So we need to add plus 1 to the both sides of the given equation to get. So यहाँ पे अगर हमने प्लस वन कर दिया, so x माइनस वन प्लस वन इक्वल टू राइट हैंड साइड में भी प्लस वन करना है. So प्लस वन माइनस वन विल गेट कैंसिल टू ईच अदर एंड 5 प्लस 1 इक्वल टू 6. So value of the x equal to what, 6. Whenever you got the final answer, always highlight your answer. Moving to the next B part, x plus 6 equal to 2. So here is the, we have the plus 6. We need only x on the left hand side. Yes, so what we need to do its exactly opposite. So plus 6 है, इसका opposite होगा minus of 6, that is subtract 6 from the both side of the given equation. So x plus 6 minus 6 to minus of 6. So plus 6 minus 6 will get cancelled to each other and 2 minus 6 is what, minus of 4. So value of the x equal to what, minus of 4. So whenever you got the final answer, always highlight your answer. The next sum is E. y minus 4 equal to minus of 7. So minus 4 है, इसका opposite क्या होगा, adding of the 4. So we have to add 4 to the both side of the equation. So what do we get, y minus 4 plus 4 on the right hand side, minus 7 plus 4. So plus 4 minus 4 will get cancelled. Minus 7 plus 4. So minus plus will be what, minus, and bigger number sign is what, minus. So it will be what, minus of 3. So y equal to what, minus of 3. Whenever you got the final answer, always highlight your answer. Next, moving to the next example, y minus of 4 equal to 4. Now again we need to do the opposite action. Opposite action यहाँ पे minus 4 है, इसका opposite action क्या होगा, plus 4. That is a add 4 to the both side of the equation. So what do we get, y minus 4 plus 4 equal to 4 plus 4. So again plus 4 minus 4 will get cancelled to each other and therefore y equal to what, 8. Whenever you got the final answer, always highlight your answer. Yes, so we will next see the next example. The next sum is y plus 4 equal to 4. Here we have the plus 4. So we need to do the opposite action. So addition का opposite होगा subtraction. So we have to subtract 4 to the both side of the equation. So what do we get, y plus 4 minus of 4 equal to 4 minus 4. So plus 4 minus 4 will get cancelled to each other. 4 minus 4 is 0 and therefore what do we get the answer, y equal to 4. Whenever you got the final answer, always highlight your answer. Moving to the next, y plus 4 equal to minus of 4. So again, to get the value of the y, here we have the plus 4. We need to do its opposite. So we need to subtract 4 on the both sides. Yes. So y plus 4 minus of 4 equal to minus 4 minus 4. So plus 4 minus 4 will get cancelled together. Minus minus will be plus, and having the common sign, that is minus of 8. So value of the y equal to what? Minus of 8. And hence with this sum, we have finished the first question of the exercise number 4.2. Now we will see the question number 2. Question number 2 is the same. Give first step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. Here we have 3L equal to 42. We need to calculate here, obviously variable is L, and we need to calculate the value of the L. So here we have the 3 into L. So multiplication is over here. Whenever you have the multiplication, always use the opposite of it, that is the division. So now we have to divide both sides. Multiplication का opposite क्या होगा? Divide both sides of the equation by 3. 3 से multiply है, तो यहाँ पे हमें divide by 3 से ही करना पड़ेगा. So what do we get? 3L upon 3 equal to 42 upon 3. Always remember that in a equation, always there is only one equal to sign. यहाँ पे equal to sign नहीं होगा. यहाँ पे आपको चाहिए तो आप therefore का sign लगा सकते हो. So 3 will get cancel. So 3 से अगर मैं divide करती हूँ, 3 1 जा 3. What is remaining here? 1. And अगर 2 ले लिया तो 3 4 जा 12. So L की वैल्यू क्या आ गई आपकी? 14. L equal to 14. So whenever you got the answer, always highlight your answer. Moving to the next, b upon 2 equal to 6. देखो यहाँ पे 2 डिवाइड है, तो इसका अपोजिट क्या होगा? डिवीजन का अपोजिट होगा मल्टीप्लीकेशन. सो नाउ वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई बोथ द साइड्स ऑफ द इक्वेशन बाय 2. तो डिवीजन है तो यहाँ पे क्या करना पड़ेगा आपको? यू नीड टू मल्टीप्लाई. सो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? b अपॉन 2 इंटू 2. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड को मल्टीप्लाई किया तो राइट हैंड साइड को भी करना है. सो 2 विल गेट कैंसल. And therefore b equal to what? 6 2 is 12. Whenever you got the final answer, always highlight your answer. Next one is b upon 7 equal to 4. So now we देखते हैं यहाँ पे constant denominator में है, तो we have to multiply. Divide है तो यहाँ पे आपको opposite action मतलब क्या करना पड़ेगा? We need to multiply by same number, that is the by 7 to the equation. So what do we get? b upon 7 into 7 equal to 4 into 7. So डिनोमिनेटर और न्यूमरेटर में अगर सेम नंबर हो तो वो कैंसिल हो जाता है बाय दैट रूल. सो 7 7 विल गेट कैंसल एंड देयरफॉर p इक्वल टू 4 7 दा 28. व्हेनेवर यू गॉट द फाइनल आंसर, ऑलवेज हाईलाइट योर आंसर. मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट सम, 4x इक्वल टू 25. वी नीड टू कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू ऑफ द वेरिएबल, दैट इज द x ओवर हियर. यस, सो वी नीड टू डू इसका अपोजिट. 4 यहाँ पे मल्टीपल है, तो मल्टीपल का अपोजिट क्या होगा? आपका डिवीजन होगा. सो now we have to divide. Multiplication का opposite होगा divide both the sides of the equation by same number, that is the 4. To get, we will get 4x upon 4 equal to 25 upon 4. So 4 will get cancelled together. What is remaining on the left hand side? Only variable, that is x equal to 24 upon 25 upon 4. And this is the answer. Whenever you got the answer, always highlight your answer. Next one is 8y equal to 36. यहाँ पे हमें वेरिएबल इज व्हाट? y. So we need to calculate the value of the y. 8 is multiple over here. We need to take its opposite. Division, multiplication का opposite क्या होगा? Division. So divide both the sides by the same number, that is the 8. So 8y upon 8 equal to 36 upon 8. So 8 get cancel on the left hand side. यहाँ पे देखो 36, 8 के टेबल में आपका 36 नहीं आता है, but the one table is there. In that table both the numbers are common. If we do that, 4 9 are 36 and 4 2 are 8. So x की वैल्यू क्या आ गई आपकी? 9 upon 2. अगर आपको ऐसे नहीं आता है, you can do 36 के फैक्टर्स बना लो आपके. 2 into 18, 2 into 9, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 डिवाइड बाय 8 के फैक्टर्स हो जाएंगे आपके 2 into 2 into 2. So 8 2 कैंसिल हो गया, 2 2 कैंसिल हो गए, तो क्या बच गया आपका? 3 into 3 डिवाइड बाय 2, that is 3 3 are 9 divided by 2. And therefore value of the x equal to what? 9 upon 2. Make a practice of this. अगर ये आता है, then you can directly do this. Yes, but for that you need to know the table up to the 10. F is z upon 3 equal to 5 upon 4. Here we have the division number in the denominator, so we need to take its opposite. Division का opposite होगा आपका multiplication on the both the sides with the same number, so by the 3. So what do we get? z upon 3 into 3, so 3 will get cancel. So यहाँ पे इक्वल टू आपका राइट हैंड साइड आएगा 5 upon 4 into 3. अब ये सिंपल 3 होता है क्या? नो, इट इज नॉट अ सिंपल 3, इट इज अ 3 upon 1. और मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ द टू रैशनल नंबर्स में क्या होगा? न्यूमरेटर का मल्टीप्लीकेशन होगा, मतलब क्या होगा आपका 5 into 3, और डिनोमिनेटर का मल्टीप्लीकेशन होगा दैट इज 4 into 1. तो ये आ जाएगा आपका 5 3 is 15 डिवाइड बाय 4, दैट इज z इक्वल टू व्हाट? 15 upon 4. आपकी वैल्यू आ गई z equals to 15 upon 4. Whenever you got the final answer, always highlight your answer. Next is a upon 5 equal to 7 upon 15. Now we have to multiply. देखो यहाँ पे 5 है डिनोमिनेटर में, तो डिनोमिनेटर का डिवीजन का अपोजिट होगा मल्टीप्लिकेशन. So we have to multiply both the side of the equation by same number, that is the 5. So what do we get? A upon 5 into 5 equal to 7 upon 15 into 5. 5 will get cancel on the left hand side. Right hand side में देखो 5 under 5, 5 3 is 15. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा आपका 7 upon 3. So therefore value of the a equal to what? 7 upon 3. Whenever you got the final answer, always highlight your answer. H is 20t equal to minus of 10. Now we have to divide. देखो यहाँ पे 20 into t है, मल्टीप्लीकेशन है, तो मल्टीप्लीकेशन का अपोजिट होगा डिवीजन. So with the same number, so we have to divide both sides of the equation by 20. So what do we get? 20t divided by 20 equal to minus 10 divided by 20. So 20 to 20 will get cancel. जब भी आपके ऐसे नंबर्स हो, यू कैन कैंसल आउट द 0 0 0 0 कैंसिल आउट हो जाएंगे, तो क्या बच जाएगा आपके पास? -1/2. therefore t equal to what? minus of 1/2. and therefore here you got the answer. Whenever you got the final answer, always highlight your answer. With this sum, we have finished our question number 2. Now we will see next question, that is the question number 3. Moving to the next question, question number 3. Give first step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. Same question. So here one is first example is 3n minus 2 equal to 46. देखो whenever you have this type of the equation, क्या करना है? पहले जो प्लस माइनस है उसको निकाल लेना है, मतलब उसको सॉल्व करके लेना है. तो यहाँ पे आपको पहला क्या दिख रहा है? -2 दिख रहा है. तो -2 को अगर हटाना है तो कैसे हटाएंगे? इसका अपोजिट एक्शन. माइनस का अपोजिट क्या होगा? एडिशन. So first we have to add 2 to the both side of the equation. So what do we get? 3n minus 2 plus 2, 46 plus 2. So plus 2 minus 2 will get cancel, and 46 plus 2 is what? 48. So what do we get? 3n equal to 48. अभी क्या करना है? अभी हमें n की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. सॉल्व द इक्वेशन मतलब क्या? वेरिएबल की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. So 3 मल्टीपल है to the n. मल्टीपल का अपोजिट क्या होगा? डिवीजन. So now we have to divide both the sides of the equation by same number, that is the 3. So what do we get over here? 3n upon 3 equal to 46 upon 3. So 3 will get cancel. 3 से अगर डिवाइड करेंगे तो 3 1 3, remaining is 1, बन गया 18. So 3 6 18. Therefore n equal to what? 16. The value of the n is what? 16. So whenever you got the final answer, always highlight your answer. Yes. Now we'll continue with the next example, that is the B. So moving to the next sum. 5m plus 7 equal to 17. देखो यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लिकेशन से पहले एडिशन है. सो व्हाट वी नीड टू डू? प्लस 7 है तो -7 करना पड़ेगा. सो सब्ट्रैक्ट 7. फर्स्ट वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट 7 to the both sides of the equation. So what do we get? 5m plus 7 minus 7 equal to 17 minus 7. Plus 7 minus 7 will get cancel over here. 17 minus 7 is 10. And therefore what do we have? 5m equal to 10. Now here we need to again calculate the value of the variable m. So we need to do its opposite action. Multiplication का opposite क्या है? Division. And therefore we have to divide both the sides of the equation by 5. So what do we get? 5m upon 5 equal to 10 upon 5. So 5 will get cancelled. M equal to 2. And therefore whatever we have, whenever you got the final answer, always highlight your answer. Now moving to the next sum, that is the C. Next sum is that 20p upon 3 equal to 40. देखो यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लिकेशन भी है, डिवीजन भी है. जब भी ऐसा हो तभी डिवीजन को पहले सॉल्व करके लो. डिवाइड बाय 3 है तो उसको निकालना है, तो वी नीड टू डू इट्स अपोजिट एक्शन. सो वी नीड टू मल्टीप्लाई टू द बोथ साइड बाय द इक्वेशन बाय सेम नंबर, दैट इज द 3. सो व्हाट डू वी गेट? 20p upon 3 into 3 equal to 40 into 3. 3 will get cancel. What is remaining with me? 20p equal to 120. Now we have the variable here p. So 20 here is multiple, so we need to do its opposite action. Multiplication का opposite होगा आपका division. So we have to divide both the sides of the equation by 20. So what do we get? 20p divided by 20 equal to 120 divided by 20. So same number will get cancel to each other. What is remaining? Left hand side is p. जब भी आपका डेसिमल हो, डेसिमल नंबर्स हो न्यूमरेटर में और डिनोमिनेटर में, यू कैन कैंसिल आउट दैट जीरो 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 कैंसिल आउट हो गया, नंबर बिल्कुल सिंपल, दैट इज 12 डिवाइड बाय 2. सो ऑब्वियसली each one is knows that 2 6 are 12 and therefore the value of the p equal to what? 6. So whenever you got the answer, always highlight your answer. So next sum is that 3p divided by 10 equal to 6. पहले जब भी वेरिएबल्स के साथ मल्टीप्लिकेशन भी है और डिवीजन भी है, पहले हमें क्या सॉल्व करना है? वी नीड टू सॉल्व फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डिवीजन. सो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई. तो यहाँ पे डिवाइड बाय 10 है, उसका अपोजिट होगा मल्टीप्लाई बोथ द साइड्स ऑफ द इक्वेशन बाय 10. सो व्हाट डू वी गेट? 3p अपॉन 10 इनटू 10. 10 10 विल गेट कैंसल एंड 6 10 जा 60. सो 3p इक्वल टू 60. अभी हमें कौन क्या हटाना है? वी नीड शिफ्ट द 3 टू द राइट हैंड साइड. यहाँ पे 3 मल्टीपल है, वहाँ पे जाके क्या होगा? डिवाइड होगा. So now we have to divide both the sides of the equation by 3. So what do we get? 3p upon 3 equal to 60 upon 3. Again 3 will get cancelled. So p equal to what? 20. 3 are 60. So p equal to 3 1 are 3 and 3 2 are 6 and 0 as it is. So p equal to what? 20. Whenever you got the final answer, always highlight your answer. With this sum, we have finished our question number 3. The next sum is 10p equal to 100. Sorry, the question number 4 is that solve the following equations. So here we directly have the equations to solve. So in the if we have the question like this, solve the equation, so it means that we need to calculate the value of the variable from that equation. So first is 10p equal to 100. So what is the variable over here? P. So here we need to solve the equation. It means that we need to calculate the value of the p. So 10 is the multiple to the p. So 10 को अगर निकालना है, हटाना है, तो उसको क्या करना पड़ेगा? उसका अपोजिट. So multiplication का अपोजिट है डिवीजन. So now we have to divide both the sides of the equation by 10. So to get 10p upon 10 equal to 100 upon 10. So 10 10 will get cancelled from the left hand side. Decimals या hundreds यहाँ पे आप वहाँ पे जीरो कैंसिल आउट कर सकते हो. तो 10 upon 1 is what? 10 only. So p equal to 10. So whenever you got the answer, always highlight your answer. Next is 10p plus 10 equal to 100. तो यहाँ पे पहले एडिशन प्लस है, तो यहाँ पे उसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. फर्स्ट वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट 10 to the both sides of the equation. So what do we get? 10p plus 10 minus 10 equal to 100 minus 10. Plus 10 minus 10 will get cancel. What is remaining with me? 10p equal to 100 minus 10 is 90. Now we need to calculate the value of the p. 10 is multiple, similar as the previous sum. 10 multiple है, वहाँ पे जाके क्या होगा? डिवाइड होगा. So 10 divided by 10, 10p upon 10 equal to 90 upon 10. So 10 10 will get cancelled. 0 0 also get cancelled. So value of the p equal to what? 9. Whenever you got the answer, always highlight your answer. Moving to the next sum, p upon 4 equal to 5. p की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. 4 डिविजिबल है, उसका अपोजिट होगा मल्टीप्लिकेशन. So we need to multiply both the sides of the equation by 4. So what do we get? p upon 4 into 4 equal to 5 into 4. 4 4 will get cancelled. 5 to 4 are 20. Therefore p equal to 20. Whenever you got the answer, always highlight your answer. Sorry. Moving to the next. Here minus p upon 3 equal to 5. अभी sometimes some students got confused due to the minus sign. तो इसको एक नंबर को दे दो, इसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं? p upon minus 3 equal to 5. अभी डिवीजन में क्या है? आपका वेरिएबल यहाँ पे है p. डिवीजन में क्या है? माइनस 3 है, उसको हटाना है, तो उसका क्या करना पड़ेगा? अपोजिट, मतलब मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा बोथ द साइड्स ऑफ द इक्वेशन बाय सेम नंबर, दैट इज द माइनस 3. So p upon minus 3 into minus 3 equal to 5 into minus 3. So minus 3 will get cancelled. 5 into 3 is 15 plus minus is minus, and therefore p equal to what? Minus of 15. So whenever you got the answer, always highlight your answer. Continuing, 3p divided by 4 equal to 6. So पहले डिवीजन कैंसिल आउट करेंगे. फर्स्ट वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई. डिवीजन का अपोजिट होगा मल्टीप्लिकेशन. बोथ द साइड्स ऑफ द इक्वेशन बाय सेम नंबर, दैट इज द 4. So what do we get? 3p upon 4 into 4 equal to 6 into 4. So 4 4 will get cancelled. What do we have? 3p equal to 6 4 are 24. Now p है, वेरिएबल p की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. So we need to calculate the value of the 3. So 3 मल्टीपल है, तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? We need to divide. So divide the both the sides of the equation by 3. So 3p upon 3 equal to 24 upon 3. 3 will get cancelled. 3 8s are 24. सो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा आपका t equal to 8. So whenever you got the final answer, always highlight your answer. Moving to the next, 3s equal to minus of 9. Now we have to, देखो s वेरिएबल है, 3 मल्टीपल है, तो आपको क्या करना निकालना है, s की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. 3 मल्टीपल है तो उसको क्या करना पड़ेगा, डिवाइड ऑन द बोथ द साइड्स विद द सेम नंबर बाय 3. So 3s upon 3 equal to what, minus 9 upon 3. 3 will get cancelled together. S equal to 3 3 is 9. So minus plus minus हो जाएगा, s equal to what, minus of 3. I am not skipping here g. I will g solve letter h. Same है, 3s equal to 0. So we have to, s variable है, s की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. 3 मल्टीपल है. Now we have to divide the both the sides by, of the equation by 3. So what do we get, 3s upon 3 equal to 0 upon 3. So 3 get cancelled on the left hand side. S equal to 0 upon any number. 0 upon any number is always 0. Remember that 0 divided by any number is always what, 0. And therefore what do we get, s equal to 0. S equal to 0. So whenever you got the final answer, always highlight your answer. Moving to the next question, 3s plus 12 equal to 0. फर्स्ट यहाँ पे ये 12 है, प्लस 12 उसको हटाना है तो उसका अपोजिट करना होगा. प्लस 12 का अपोजिट होगा subtraction, minus. So first we have to subtract 12 to the both sides of the equation. So what do we get, 3s plus 12 minus 12 equal to 0 minus 12. Plus 12 minus 12 will get cancelled to each other. 0 minus 12 is minus 12. So अभी यहाँ पे s वेरिएबल है, 3 को हटाना है. 3 is the multiple over here. मल्टीप्लिकेशन का अपोजिट होगा डिवीजन. सो वी नीड टू डिवाइड बोथ द साइड्स ऑफ द इक्वेशन बाय 3. सो व्हाट डू वी गेट, 3s upon 3 equal to minus 12 upon 3. So 3 3 again get cancelled. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Plus minus is minus. So value of the s equal to what, minus of 4. Whenever you got the final answer, always highlight your answer. Moving to the next, h हमने already किया था. I 2q equal to 6. q is the variable, 2 is the multiple. So opposite क्या होगा, division. So we have to divide both the sides by the equation by 2. So what do we get, 2q upon 2 equal to 6 upon 2. 2 get cancelled. 2 3 is 6 and therefore value of the q equal to 3. Whenever you got the answer, always highlight your answer. So next, j is what, 2q minus 6 equal to 0. minus 6 को हटाना है. We need to do it opposite action, that is the subtraction का opposite होगा addition. So first we have to add 6 to the both sides of the equation to get, what do we get, 2q minus 6 plus 6 equal to 0 plus 6. Plus 6 minus 6 cancel हो गया. What is remaining, 2q is equal to 6. q is the variable, 2 हटाना है. 2 is the multiple over here. Multiplication का opposite होगा division. So we have to divide both the sides of the equation by 2. What do we get, 2q divided by 2 equal to 6 divided by 2. 2 get cancelled. 2 equal to 2 3 is 6. So whenever you got the final answer, always highlight your answer and therefore q equal to 3. Next is 2q plus 6 equal to 0. So plus 6 को हटाना है. So first we have to subtract, plus का addition होगा, minus 6 from the both the sides of the equation. So what do we get, 2q plus 6 minus 6 equal to 0 minus 6. Plus 6 minus 6 will get cancelled. So what is remaining with me, 2q equal to minus of 6. अभी q की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. 2 मल्टीपल है, 2 को क्या करना पड़ेगा, we need to divide. So what, now we have to divide both sides of the equation by 2. So to get, what do we get, 2q divided by 2 equal to minus 6 divided by 2. 2 cancel हो जाएगा. q equal to 2 3 is 6. So plus minus होगा minus and therefore q equal to minus of 3. So whenever you got the final answer, always highlight your answer. L. Last sum on this exercise, 2q plus 6 equal to 12. Similar example है, exactly equal to 0 है, equal to 12 है. तो ये इतना ही फर्क पड़ेगा. First we have to subtract. plus 6 है तो minus 6 करना पड़ेगा. So minus 6 किया both sides से, तो ये आ जाएगा 2q equal to 6. सिमिलरली q की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. 2 मल्टीपल है, यहाँ पे डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. सो 2q upon 2 equal to 6 upon 2. 2 get cancel. 6 upon 2 is what, 3 and therefore what do we get, the value of the q equal to 3. Whenever we got the final answer, always highlight your answer. With this sum, we have finished the exercise number 4.2. In the next lecture, we will see the next exercise, that is the exercise number 4.3. Be connected with Easy Mathematics. Thank you so much. Bye.